What is a VPN? The letters VPN serve as an acronym for Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network extends a private and secure network across a public network. A virtual private network allows users to send and receive pictures, videos, text, and many other things across a public network, as if their computing devices were connected to a private network. Be sure to also check out VPN Hub Premium. VPN Hub Premium is a VPN product that allows you to protect yourself online, hide your IP address and web browsing, unblock worldwide content, and enjoy free global streaming. You can start your free week now by clicking on the link below in the description. Thank you for choosing how to pronounce.